ensonga za Anita Amongo zikutte wansi ne waggulu. Kirabika ne bwana Moses Sali aka Bebe Cool embeera temulese mabega. Twandibanga tuli waneeno nga n'omusajja alabika naye agenda. Njagala otambuze video eno bampita kali lugambo Pro Max Simple MC. Uliriza video gitambuze. Waliwo akatambi akasatulatinze ku mutimbagano. Akatambi ako nga Bebe Cool aina an altercation with the security forces. Akatambi ako olwakalabye nze nga nze saaka wadde budde. Era bana bangi ku TikTok bakasharinze nga bagamba nti Bebe Cool naye bamuyodde nga nammere we bamuyodde. Because y'omu ku abo abantu obooli awo ababadde balya omusimbi gwa speaker Anita Amongo. Akatambi kano sooka okawuliremu. Then nkomewo mbere ate nga nkuwa amapya agakagwawo. Bampita kali lugambo Pro Max Simple MC. Givuge.
Afande, toka musajja. We have the gun. Tosobola kudayo mundu.
No, if they are going to remove that, they exchange it. Where is the gun? The gun is not a problem. That's fucked up, bro.
Taina jala da afande toka musajja.
Where is the gun? No, where is the gun?
We have the gun.
We have the gun. Mr.
The gun has been confiscated.
We have a gentleman here. You don't do that, bro. You don't. You talk like a man. It's okay, but he's a man.
The afande
Akatambi ako kasatulatinze ku mikutu okusingira ddala ogwa TikTok. But what I can confirm to you ladies and gentlemen, akatambi ako tekali current. Akatambi ako kadda Bebe Cool yafunamu obuzibu n'owa security kubbale manyikibwa nga pia awentinda. Era akatambi ako abaana abakaleese baleetedde omusajja Bebe Cool Moses Sali okubanga agwamu ekidumusi. Bebe Cool y'omu ku bantu ababadde ba alayiba Anita Amongo era nga kyaliwe nnyo. Yatuuka na level ewolereza Anita Amongo okulya enguzi. Bebe Cool olulabye akatambi ako nga kasatulatinga. Agenze ku mukutu gwo gwa X okwekubira enduulu n'agamba notice. My attention has been drawn to a video circulating on TikTok. I wish to clarify that the footage is from 2 years ago and it does not reflect a current incident. Abantu bade batandise okusala Bebe Cool naye bamukutte. The matter occurred in Ntinda and was resolved amicably with the assistance of the security at that time. I appeal to the public to verify the authenticity and timing of content before sharing. This helps prevent the spread of misinformation and avoid causing undue panic. Abaana batambuza akataminoza jaja Bebe Cool n'amukubira omwana wange wakolaki. Naye basebo ne banyawo. Buli muntu yenna abadde akukuta ne Anita Amongo ng'alya ku ssente ze. Essaawa zino basebo ne bannyabo aliche asirise weche. Mu kaseera kana I would expect a person like Bebe Cool okubanga akubira Anita Amongo ekikopo. Akaseera kana wano wotegerera basebo ne bannyabo munno yaani. Wano wotegerera munno yaani. Bebe Cool Moses Sali Bebe Cool gwe mmanyi yavaayo lumu edda n'akubira Anita Amongo ekikopo. There is a clip I saw era namwe njagala njibazannyire. Now this was Bebe Cool then nga agezaako kakasa bannayuganda nti Anita Amongo enguzi gy'alya ayamba bannayuganda. Essaawa zino Anita Amongo ali mu katyabaga. Akatyabaga kaalimu kekuusisa ku buli bw'enguzi. Bino ebigambo Bebe Cool yabyogera. Twebuuza Bebe Cool wa then aliwa right now. This is what Bebe Cool had to say. Nga bamugambye nguzi Anita Mongo gyali awuliriza.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching, I'm in Bukedia. I have shown you the facilities that the Honorable Speaker Anita Mongo has put up in Bukedia. Remember, this lady has not been in Parliament for longer than 3 years. But now we're talking about a school, we're talking about a stadium, we're talking about
the sports arena.
Sports arena, we're talking about a hospital, we're talking about the medical school, the technical school. All those things are done by one individual and single-handedly, not government. So you will just ask yourself a question. Where does the corruption issue come in? Because you see, when you take Anita Among to prison for claims that she's corrupt, the question is, what about the 5,000 or 10,000 people who are benefiting directly from her? Then what about the millions of people in the communities in the eastern side of Uganda who are directly benefiting from one individual? And surely speaking, is Honorable Anita Among corrupt, or did she just sign the gay bill? Did she just put up a gay bill? So you have to understand what politics is, and people, Ugandans, muino kumanya, you have to now start asking yourselves the questions. What is the reality on the ground? So seek information and learn things. My name is Bebe Cool.
We have a request. Omuntu omu yagamba, sometimes you just have to shut up. Otherwise, that big mouth can cause you trouble. Ebyo bigambo byayogerwa Bebe Cool nga supporting Anita Mongo, ayongera okulya enguzi mbu asobole okuyamba abantu. I bet if Bebe Cool can come out right now, because ebyo bigambo yabyogera nga Anita Mongo bamwakyuzinga. Right now obukakafu buvuddeyo ne police yabadde mu maka ge ng'esaakinga. I bet if Bebe Cool can come out and support ebikolwa Anita Mongo byabadde ng'akola. Epasi yayimba akayimba agamba abantu babi tobesiga kuba obesiga ebera nsobi. Almost each and every NRM artist abadde alya ssente za Anita Mongo. Bebe Cool badde bavayo n'ebisawo bya Anita Mongo bagravity right now basirise weche. Bebe Cool olwajjayo ka video afubye nnyo olaba nga avaayo okwedistancinga mu saga eziriko right now ku mukama we Anita Mongo. Amanyi abampita kali Lugambo Pro Max Simple MC. Njagala ovuge video.